Thank you for watching this week's episode of Focus Integration's video notes on the connected worker revolution. For more information on these topics, please visit our website at focusintegration.com.
All right, let's jump right in. We need to talk about the factory floor because it's going through a massive transformation. And you know what? The most powerful tool in that factory isn't a robot. It's the human worker, but a worker who's been supercharged with data. This is the story of the connected worker. So here's our game plan. First, we're going to uncover a huge hidden problem that's holding back most modern factories. Then, we'll meet the solution, the connected worker. After that, we'll get into the 5 big reasons this is all happening right now. We'll even look at what a truly smart factory looks like in action. And we'll wrap up with the most important part, how this whole thing is really about empowering people, not just installing machines. Okay, so let's get into it. To really understand where we're going, you have to first understand this deep, kind of weird contradiction that's right at the heart of manufacturing today. It's what you might call a silent crisis, and it's hiding in plain sight. And this slide, wow, it just says it all, doesn't it? On one side, you've got companies spending billions on these futuristic robots and self-driving vehicles. And on the other side, the brilliant humans who are supposed to run all that tech are often stuck with tools from the past, like paper, whiteboards, and walkie-talkies. This disconnect is creating a massive, invisible drag on everything. I mean, just think about it for a second. We have people running multi-million-dollar machines using printed instructions that could be totally out of date. Critical information gets passed along through a quick conversation between shifts, what a lot of people call tribal knowledge. And when something goes wrong, all too often, it just comes down to guesswork. This isn't just inefficient. It leaves your most important asset, your frontline worker, completely unsupported. So if that's the crisis, what's the solution? Well, let's move on and meet the hero of this story, the connected worker. And trust me, this isn't just another buzzword. It's a completely new way of working. At its core, a connected worker is an empowered worker. It's about giving them the right information at the right time, right there in their hands or in their line of sight. You're basically transforming their job from one that relies on memory and reaction to one that's all about data-driven action and really absolute confidence. And this isn't just about a single app or a single tool. It's a whole ecosystem that works together. You've got shared intelligence on big screens so everyone can see the big picture. You've got individual intelligence on a tablet or a device that gives you specific guidance. Then there's operational intelligence that walks you through complex tasks step by step. And it's all fueled by machine intelligence, real-time data coming straight from the equipment itself. This quote just nails it. This is the fundamental shift we're talking about. It's the end of uncertainty. Imagine the difference in your own job if you went from hoping you have the right answer to knowing you do every single time. That's the kind of power we're unlocking here. So you might be asking, okay, this sounds cool, but why is this huge revolution happening right now? Well, it's not just some futuristic idea. It's a necessary response to these massive forces that are completely reshaping the industrial world as we speak. And really, it all boils down to 5 key, irreversible shifts that are speeding this whole change up. Let's walk through them one by one. First up, the machines are just getting too smart, too fast. Think about it. The software on an industrial robot might get an update every few months. But the training manual for the person running it, maybe that gets updated once a year if they're lucky. Traditional training just can't keep up anymore. The knowledge has to be delivered live, right there on the job. Second, we've got a major people problem. The most experienced workers are retiring in droves, and the younger generations, they expect modern digital tools. If you hand a new hire a clipboard and a giant binder on their first day, you're not going to keep them for long. Companies are in this brutal war for talent, and using outdated tech is a losing strategy, period. The third shift is all about speed. It's no longer about being the biggest company. It's about being the fastest and most agile. The companies that win are the ones that can see a problem, swarm it, and solve it in minutes, not days. A connected workforce basically turns your entire organization into a rapid response system. And fourth, safety. It's not just a checklist item anymore. It's a non-negotiable part of a company's culture. It's a fundamental promise you make to your people, that they will go home in the exact same condition they arrived in. And connected systems? They are one of the most powerful tools for keeping that promise, with real-time hazard alerts and guided procedures that can prevent accidents before they even have a chance to happen. And finally, maybe the most important point of all, Modern manufacturing has simply become too complex for analog systems. With thousands of product variations, crazy supply chains, and demanding quality standards, you just can't run a world-class facility with paper SOPs and phone trees anymore. It's like trying to navigate a spaceship with a paper map. It's just not going to work. Okay, so we've covered the why. Now let's get to the how. What does this actually look like on the factory floor? We're going to explore the anatomy of a smart factory, and the best way to think about it is like a digital nervous system for the entire operation. Okay, picture this. A machine goes down, the old way. The operator has to leave their station, go hunt for a supervisor. There's shouting, confusion, and all that time, money is just flying out the window. Now, in a connected factory, the operator just taps a button on a screen. Instantly, their supervisor gets an alert on their device. The issue pops up on big screens across the factory so everyone knows what's up, and the system starts tracking how long it takes to fix it. Chaos is replaced by a calm, clear, and measurable process. And the results? They are dramatic. For safety, you go from slow, word-of-mouth warnings to instant, targeted alerts. For quality, you move from finding a pile of defects hours later to a live dashboard that catches the first one right away. And for productivity, well, the blind spots and slow escalations just disappear. But think about that quality example for a sec. A connected worker spots a bad part and flags it with one tap. The system can instantly alert the station that came before it, preventing hundreds more bad parts from ever being made. That's the digital nervous system in action. And that brings us to our last and, I think, most important section. Because all this tech, all this data, it isn't really about the machines. Ultimately, it's about the people. You see, the single biggest benefit of a connected worker system is cultural. It completely flips the dynamic. You go from this old top-down culture where workers are just told what to do to a bottom-up culture where they are trusted and empowered to act. They become active problem solvers, not just people passively tending to machines. This is such a critical point for understanding the future of work. So many people worry that technology is going to replace humans, but what's really happening is that it's removing the worst parts of the job. Automation takes care of the dangerous, repetitive, physical tasks. And these connected platforms, they get rid of the mental burdens, the confusion, the guesswork, the stress of not knowing if you're doing the right thing. It elevates the human role, making it more strategic and, honestly, way more valuable. So the real question for the future isn't about whether your factory has enough robots. The real question is about the partnership between your people and your technology. It's really worth asking yourself, how well do they actually work together in your world? Is your team truly set up to win in this new era? And we'll end on this thought right here. For decades, the human on the assembly line was often seen as a variable, a potential source of error, maybe even the weakest link. With this massive shift, they become the exact opposite. When they're empowered by data and supported by intelligent systems, they become the smartest, most adaptable, and most powerful asset in the entire operation. They become your strongest advantage.
Thank you for watching this week's episode of Focus Integration's video notes on the connected worker revolution. For more information on these topics, please visit our website at focusintegration.com.